Hi, this is Mike from Wilkins here to show you how the new sound system works in the Northeast High School gym. This is the new control surface. This button here will be your power. Push that button, it's going to flash while everything in the rack turns on. This process can take up to 2 minutes for everything to fully fire up. In the meantime, while that turns on, this is our music input here. There's a cable that is in the drawer in the rack that has aux and RCA. This is your Bluetooth input here. To pair this, you're going to hold the pairing button until the blue light here flashes. On some iPhones, you need to turn off your Bluetooth and then turn it back on while the pair light is blinking, and then it will pair. And once the system fully powers up, you'll see the new control surface here. These knobs here control your volumes for each one of these channels here. This is wireless mic 1, wireless mic 2, music 1, which is music 1 here, and Bluetooth, which is Bluetooth here. This here is the floor input. You can look at the picture to see where that is on the floor. It's on the south side by the bleachers. These buttons also function as mute. So if you have any of these activated, the red lights come on and it'll say mute on that channel, and it will mute that channel. So you can adjust the volumes for each channel here. When the system turns on, it'll automatically go to a preset volume. Lastly, these are your speaker presets. So these buttons here are for all speakers, floor speakers only, or bleacher speakers only. So depending on which one of these is activated, that'll determine where the sound is coming from the speakers.